Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the watch off and placing it face up on a soft cloth to protect the case. You need to locate a corner or edge where the protector lifts slightly. That's your leverage point. Use your fingernail or a thin 0.5 mm plastic pick to gently get under the edge, slow, shallow motions, because you're breaking the seal, not prying the display out. Once you have a tiny gap, pause to confirm you're not catching the bezel or sensor array. You now peel the protector at a low 10-20 degrees angle, pulling toward the opposite side in steady, even strokes. This reduces stress on adhesive points. Make sure to support the glass near the peel line with a finger so you don't twist the case. If the protector starts resisting or flakes, stop and reinsert the pick at a new point to release more adhesive. This method preserves the display coating and prevents lifting the bezel or sensors beneath. You finish by removing leftover adhesive with a 70% isopropyl wipe or a dedicated adhesive remover applied to a microfiber cloth. Dab, don't flood. Make sure to inspect sensors and the case edge for any damage or trapped dust before you reapply anything. If debris remains, use a piece of tape to lift particles. Troubleshooting tip: if the protector cracks while peeling, stop, remove fragments with a pick, then clean and check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.